welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I'm doing great. I'm back again with our favorite recipe, and that is chocolate chunk cookies. I know we all love some cookies. So this recipe is super easy. Don't forget to watch. Our chocolate chunk cookies are now ready to eat. If you like the video, please comment down below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. A detailed recipe will be mentioned in the description box below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.